This is the video to find the square root of irrational number. Square root of irrational number is irrational. This is the main point. And this is under root of 2 plus 3 plus 2 root 2. We will use the identity a plus b whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square, or we may use a minus b whole square. Now the first point is we will observe this 2 root 2. And this is plus sign, it means I will use the identity of a plus b whole square. And this is 2ab, I need the 2 outside the bracket. It means if I write here root 2 plus 1 whole square and apply this formula in root 2 plus 1 whole square, you will get 2 plus 1 plus 2 root 2. And if we simplify that, it will become root 2 plus 1. This is your question number 1. Means you have to use the properties a plus b whole square and try to note down this 2. And under root इसमें जो factors हैं root 2 and 1, root 2 and 1, because 2ab means root 2 into 1 is root 2. You may take the another example. Under root of 3 minus 2 root 2. Now this is minus ab. 2 root 2 means 2 times of root 2 can be written as minus plus root 2 का whole square plus 1 का square. It means it becomes root 2 minus 1 whole square and under root. So it becomes root 2 minus 1. Third questions. Under root of 5 plus 2 root 6. In 2 root 6, you may note that this is 2 into root 3. You may try on that way. Since there is a plus sign, you can write root 2 plus root 3 whole square. And if you simplify that, you will get this answer. Square root means try to make the square. It becomes root 3 plus root 2. In question number 4, this is 7 plus under root of 48. Now in this case, root 48 can be written as 4 into 4 into 3. It means 2 into 12. It means root 4 plus root 3, because it can be written as root 4 into root 3. It means this can be written as root 4 plus root 3 whole square. And on simplifications, it becomes 2 plus root 3. Because root 4 can be written as root 2. In question number 5, under root of 13 minus a into root 10. Now root 2 into root 3, if you make the square of root 8 plus root 3 whole square, it becomes 8 plus 3 plus 2 times of root 24. And this is not 3, this should be 5. 8 plus 5 plus root 40. 13 plus 4 root 10. It means this can be written as 13 plus root 410 square root is root 5 plus root 5 whole square and square root. This implies this is root 8 plus root 5. And if you compare, this implies a is equal to minus 4. Answer will be a is equal to minus 4. If you compare from this is minus a and this is 4. So this is a very simple and shortcut methods to find out the square roots. In all the questions, I hope you can easily make out the square roots. Now one more point is there, the rationalizing factor of 3 raised to power 2 by 3. 3 raised to power 2 by 3 is also an irrational numbers. Rationalizing factor means will be 1 minus 2 by 3, that is 1 by 3. The final answer is 3 raised to power 1 by 3 is the rationalizing factor. यहाँ से पॉइंट ये समझना है कि when it is root 2, that is 2 raised to power 1 by 2, then rationalizing factor will be 2 raised to power 1 minus existing power, that is 2 raised to power 1 by 2. Same here, the rationalizing factor will be 1 minus given power, means reduce the rationalizing factor means इसको आपने 1 में convert करना. So 3 raised to power 1 minus 2 by 3 is 3 raised to power 1 by 3. Therefore, this is the rationalizing factors. So this is all about the square roots. Normally आप 2ab इस टर्म्स को चेक करके पिछले नंबर्स बना सकते हैं by using the identity a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. That's all in this video.